Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for creating CAMT053 files from Excel document. You can see on my computer I have Excel document. I am opening it with Excel Mobile. It's a free app from Microsoft. It's showing what is inside an Excel file, but you cannot change anything. Just you can only see what is inside, and I can also open it into XLS viewer. It's my viewer that shows what is inside Excel file as a table, and it's very useful. It's fast, but it's only useful for Excel data files, files that only contains data, not formulas, because it's not interpreting formula, just showing data into Excel from Excel, and I can export data into different format if I want to. And you can see I have a date, amount, IBAN, BIC, name and currency column, and I'm gonna use this file to create a CAMT file, CAMT053 file with application. I will download from this website. I have a link on site into description, so I just need this Excel to CAMT application. Click on download button and wait until our archive will be downloaded. I'll be recording more videos on how to create CAMT file from different sources, so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to this channel. And if you like more videos like this and more application like this, please like this video. Thank you. Yeah, so we're waiting for archive to be downloaded from Google Cloud. Here it is. I will click on downloaded archive, double click inside the archive and click more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher as Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed. My computer have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this. And before proceeding with conversion, what I need to do, I have to make sure that my Excel file is closed, because particular Excel is blocking file for so it cannot be used by any other application. So it's locking file and not allowing any application access it. So it's important to close it. If you have file open in Excel or any other app, just close it, so you will be able to use converter to create data from this file. And I'll double click on shortcut to launch application. Also, if you'd like to see this my example file, you can see it by clicking on this download link, and it will pull example file, so you can compare with example you are converting. But file doesn't have to be the same. All these column names doesn't have to be the same. You can have different column names, it's fine. So now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we will select our Excel file. So I will go to where is my CAMT files located, and I've data for CAMT files, it's here. And I select the Excel file, click on open, click on next step. In this step I have to populate some data, like IBAN will be using for all transaction, BAC will be using for all transaction, and yeah, it's amazing different. Date, here also I have to match data from our Excel file. If you click on this, you will get columns from your Excel file, and you have to match column from CAMT column to Excel. So for example, like date will be booking date, account will be reference, let's take transaction ID for example. Proprietary code will be proprietary code for specific for CAMT file. Transaction ID, we can use transaction ID, right? Amount will be amount, currency, name, name, IBAN, BAC, description. Reason, yeah. Click on next, and on final step I'll click run to create file. It's asking me for name and location of the file. Click save, and basically that's it. Let's go and see file. I have a CMT viewer. I have XML viewers that allow me to see what is inside of CMT file, and you can see we have a CMT file with all data in it, including amount, currency, amount, date is here, and IBAN number, yeah. Yep, and everything is here. So basically we created our CAMT053 file from Excel. I will leave links on viewers and applications in the description of the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below or contact us. Thank you.